Is your money growing, or is it just taking a nap? Imagine you have 5 gold coins. You have 2 choices. Put them in a piggy bank or plant them in a magic garden. Saving is like the piggy bank. It's super safe. You put your coins in, and you know they aren't going anywhere. But here's the thing, coins in a jar don't have babies. Investing is planting those coins. It feels a little scary because you can't see them anymore once they're in the dirt. But with time and sunshine, that coin sprouts. It turns into a tree that grows more coins for you. Sometimes the garden has a bad day. The tree might lose a leaf. That's the risk of investing. It doesn't grow in a straight line. But if you wait long enough, the garden wins. You have way more than you started with, without doing any extra work. Save for your toys today, but invest for your dreams tomorrow. Which one will you start first? Are you a saver, an investor, or both? Let us know in the comments section. If this helped you see things clearly, subscribe for more simple breakdowns.